The DAF Siluro stands as one of the most significant design exercises in automotive history, representing a bold departure from conventional styling of its era. Based on the DAF 55 platform, this silver concept car debuted at the 1968 Geneva Motor Show with its revolutionary wedge-shaped profile. Designed by Italian stylist Giovanni Michelotti in collaboration with Dutch manufacturer DAF, the Siluro, Torpedo in Italian, predated iconic wedge-shaped supercars like the Lancia Stratos Zero and Lamborghini Countach. Its innovative features, thin window pillars, hidden headlights, and unique indicator lamps, later became Michelotti's signature styling cues. Mechanically, the Siluro retained the DAF 55's modest 1.1-liter Renault-sourced engine, producing around 50 horsepower, paired with DAF's innovative Variomatic transmission. This belt-driven CVT system, developed by co-founder Huub van Doorn, allowed the car to travel at the same speed forward and reverse. Beyond its striking design, the Siluro incorporated patented safety innovations in its bodywork, reflecting Michelotti's commitment to combining aesthetics with functionality. After its show circuit appearances, the Siluro was used by Michelotti's son Edgardo before being left to deteriorate in a garden for over 2 decades. By the early 2000s, the prototype was rusted, overgrown, and serving as shelter for animals. Its fortunes changed in 2002 when a German car dealer alerted the DAF Museum, which recognized its historical value and acquired it for restoration. The restoration process was arduous, requiring repairs to the heavily damaged bodywork, refurbishment of custom bucket seats, and replacement of parts like the Nardi steering wheel's rim. Despite these challenges, the museum completed the project with sponsor support, and the Siluro made its triumphant return at the 2005 Amsterdam RAI exhibition, 37 years after its debut. Today, the restored Siluro resides permanently in the DAF Museum in Eindhoven, serving as a testament to Michelotti's visionary design and an important chapter in automotive history. Its blend of avant-garde styling, technical innovation, and safety considerations underscores its enduring legacy as a pioneering concept car.